Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making chai rasgulla. It's going to be a very delicious chai flavored soaked rasgulla. You all are going to love this one and it's super easy to put together. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. We're going to start by making our sugar syrup. I'm using a ratio of 3 cups of water to 2 cups of sugar. If you want it sweeter, by all means add more sugar or add less if you want it less sweet. Now I'm flavoring this with chai tea bags. Now if you wanted to do the chai from scratch you can, but to make life easier we're just going to use the tea bags. So we're going to bring this up to a simmer and let it flavor that water. Once it looks like this, we're going to go ahead and set this aside. Make sure your sugar crystals have dissolved. Next we're going to spice up some milk powder. So to my milk powder I'm adding in ginger powder. I like grating in fresh nutmegs. All of the flavors that you will find in chai, you'll find it in here. Ground cinnamon, clove. Next I'm going to go in with flour and baking powder, and you want to mix those ingredients to combine. Once combined, go in with evaporated milk, and you want to add half of your evaporated milk, start kneading, and then if you need more, continue to add. I use the entire 1 cup. Different brands of milk powder would absorb different amounts of milk, so always start with half and don't ever add all. You want to knead this into a soft dough. You don't want it to be hard. So nice soft sticky dough is what you're going to get. And you want to set that aside to rest for about 5 minutes. After it's finished resting, we'll go ahead and take up small pieces to make small balls. The bigger you make these, the bigger they will expand when they're cooking, and it's going to be really huge. So you want to make them pretty small, and this recipe makes 50 balls. Next we're going to fry them on a low heat, and you'll see as I drop them in, it's not bubbling. That's how you want your heat to be low. You want your oil to be nice and low, and let these take their time and fry. You see how they've expanded and they're getting a nice brown color. Now my baby was calling, so I had to leave for a second, and it got a little too brown for my liking, but please make sure and keep your eye on it. You want it to be golden brown on all sides, and you just throw them into that chai bath and allow them to soak until they feel like sponges. And once they're finished and you offer it, then you can enjoy it. But if it's not for puja, go ahead and you can enjoy it right away. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in another video. Bye.